Hi guys, my name is Harsh Goyla and I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets. Now, you must be watching this video or host a YouTube pe, or it can be Instagram or Facebook or any other public platform, right? Now, when you are following us, you're following Goyla School of Finance, you're following to listen to me and Aditya, I can safely assume that either you're an advanced person in stock market, advanced investor trader, which has more than 1 year of experience, or you are a amateur trader who has trading and investing experience of less than 1 year, or you are a beginner. In तीन situations में से ही कुछ होगा. Now I'm sure when you have been in stock markets, a lot of people around you, your friends, your family, they will ask you, dude, why don't you tell me tips about stock markets? What do you think about stock markets? How should I invest? What share should I invest in? I'm sure you must be bombarded with questions कि भाई हमें बताओ stock market में पैसा कैसे invest करना है, कहाँ invest करें, how to invest, where to invest, right? I've got one advice for you. Don't do it. Do not give your friends or family tips. Do not give them stock market tips. I can't even tell you strongly enough. Do not give your friends and your family stock market tips. Don't do that. Now, why am I telling you this? Because I'll logically explain you everything. Right? There can be two reasons. There can be two possibilities. One possibility can be is that you are managing your friends. When I say friend, I mean your friend, family, whosoever in your close knit circle. ठीक है, वो clear करते हैं. अब एक reason हो सकता है that you might be investing on their behalf, right? And you might be managing their portfolio, right? It would be a informal agreement, right? Informal agreement क्या होगा? There's no proper agreement, there's no written contract, and you're managing their portfolio on their behalf, on which you're charging some commission. It can be 10% on profit, it can be 2% on the AUM, whatever. जो भी आपकी, you must have a mutual understanding with your friend or family member, right? सबसे पहली चीज, it is illegal. This is unethical, it is illegal. SEBI has a certain set of norms which all of us should abide by, and if you are doing this, my friend, it's not ethically correct. You know, why is this so important? Why is this law so important that you have to be certified before advising or managing a portfolio? आपको तो इतना important क्यों है ये? इतना important इसलिए है because if there is no certification like this, then random people without any experience will start managing other people's portfolio, and ultimately they will have loss in stock markets. Right? Now, when normal people have suffered loss in stock markets because of such situations, will they ever invest in stock markets? Never. The stereotype of stock market जुआ है, सट्टा है, ये और बढ़ता जाएगा और कोई stock market में invest नहीं करेगा. Now, all the companies, where do they get their funding from? Stock markets. If you stop investing in stock markets, will companies get any funding? No. Will, if companies don't give funding, can there be more companies to give out jobs? No. Can unemployment rate decrease? No. Will our salaries increase? No. India will not do well. ये मैंने अपनी basic video में बोला था that a great country is not that country which is geographically very rich. A great country is that country that has great companies. And if हमारा भरोसा स्टॉक मार्केट से उठ जाता है, if we stop trusting stock markets because of these scams and these issues, will we ever be into stock markets? No. Will India ever move forward? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. That is why the fact it is so important that we should follow these rules and norms. You should be certified. You know, recently ये SEBI को norm आया था that they switched the norm that now advisor and seller is different. पहले क्या था? The person who is advising you a mutual fund or insurance or any financial instrument, he is selling that also. Now, usme that person has his own personal interest. He will only advise you and sell you the items on which he is getting the most margin on. Now, it's different. According to SEBI, an advisor, he cannot sell. A seller, he cannot advise. अब देख रहे हो, why is this so important? So, coming back to the situation, सबसे पहला, if you're doing this without any certified degree and if it's just an informal agreement, it's unethical, it's not allowed, it's illegal. Second, now you might tell me, Harsh, it's okay, he is my friend, I have the informal agreement. We trust each other, मेरा दोस्त है वो, I trust him. ठीक है? चलो, you trust him. But tell me this, what if that person has a loss because of you? You can definitely do that. No portfolio manager can give all 10 out of 10 calls, right? That's humanly impossible. Right? What if you do a loss for him? Yes, again people tell me, हर्ष तो क्या हो गया, मेरी बात है, वो मेरा फ्रेंड है, मुझे there's no issues, he trusts me. My friend, you know, we are living in such a world, unfortunately, where people kill each other for money, where brother sues the other brother for money, where siblings fight over money. So बहुत logically, again, I'm not doubting your friendship or your relation with that person, but tell me this very honestly, do you think money does not play a role? It does. So do not do this. Do not do this. If you're doing paid portfolio management on informal terms, you should not do this. Second situation is when you are doling out stock market tips for free, right? So if your friend asks you, family asks you, whatever friend family मैं अभी के लिए same मान रहा हूँ, he comes to you and he asks you, अच्छा यार, tell me some good stock market tips. अच्छा ये खरीद ले, अच्छा वो खरीद ले, I'm analyzing this. Now you might be telling him with the purity of your heart, right? Because you have done your research, you have done your study, and that's why you're advising them. But again, you need to realize that they don't have the investor mindset which you have. They don't understand the fact that in stock markets, loss is natural. In stock markets, if they want to be in stock markets, they will need to see their portfolio in red. And yes, आप उनको पहले बता दो. You might tell them कि देखो ऐसा होगा. But do you think they will understand it? I'll tell you this very honestly, and this is a personal situation that happened to me, right? This was when I was 19 years old. Now I had a friend, right? So she knew that I was trading in stock markets at that time. So she wanted help. So she said कि हर्ष मुझे तो बिल्कुल idea नहीं है. So I've opened a demat account. Whatever you tell me to do, I'll do. So I said, I told her, I briefed her कि देखो यार नुकसान हो सकता है, तो you have to be prepared for it. हाँ हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. So I was like okay. So I, to be honest, at that time I was not mature enough. मैं 19 का था, ठीक है. तो I said okay. So whatever I used to trade, I used to tell her on text her कि अच्छा I'm buying this at this price and this is my target and this is my stop loss. So she used to do the same. Now it's so funny, बताओ now when I tell this इतना मुझे funny लग रहा है. Now for the first 4-5 times everything went well. For the first couple of months her trade अच्छा जा रहा था, everything went well. So she was also very happy, right? And she used to praise me with good words. अरे हर्ष wow wow. तो I was also very happy. ठीक. But एक time क्या हुआ? अब you being a trader and investor, you understand, right? When you buy, या तो your target will hit or your stop loss will hit. There are only two possibilities: target or stop loss. Now a lot of times when my target is to hit, तो अगर suppose my stock is of 100 rupees, target is of 106 rupees, so I sold at 106, but that stock went up to 110, 111. ऐसा होता है, and you being trader investor, you understand that it's very natural. But for us traders, it doesn't matter because we have to stick to the strategy. That's it. We just need to stick to the strategy, and we have to see the broader picture, not pennies here or there. वही फंडा है. एक बार मुझसे बोलती है कि हर्ष बताओ नेक्स्ट टाइम नो आई एम गोइंग टू सेल. सो आई सेड क्या? बोलती है हर्ष नो नो वी आर ऑलवेज सेलिंग अर्ली, द स्टॉक्स आर गोइंग अप बट वी आर सेलिंग अर्ली. तो मैंने बोला बट हमारा टारगेट हिट हो, दैट्स व्हाई. तो सी नहीं नहीं यू टेल मी व्हाट टू बाय, व्हेन टू बाय, एंड आई विल सेल ऑन माय, मैं अपने हिसाब से बेचूंगी, आई विल सेल ऑन माय बायस और व्हाटएवर. एंड दैट टाइम आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर व्हाई आई जस्ट एग्रीड. हाँ ठीक है जो करना है करो, बिकॉज द थॉट इटसेल्फ वाज सो juvenile, right? That you are selling on whatever, and malab, see, if you're a trader, you need to realize that you're buying and selling. The reason for buying and selling should be the same. That means that you're sitting with the strategy, right? If your reason for buying is different and selling is different, there is no strategy. तब तो ये game of luck है, ठीक है? So ये था. अब हुआ क्या? तो again it continued, so I didn't bother that much, to be very honest. ठीक? So एक बार my stop loss get hit, ठीक है? And being a trader, you completely understand the stop loss obviously has to get hit. So I think my stop loss was at around 4 to 5%. It got hit, so I sold off. I texted her, I've sold. She did not sell. She kept on holding that stock. Now I lost touch with her. Again, I was busy in my own life, तो मैं अपने काम में लग गया था. आप मानोगे नहीं, within a couple of weeks, she bought more of that stock. She invested much more money into that. क्यों? Because she wanted to average down, right? And her portfolio went down by 30%. Portfolio went down by 30% in a matter of weeks. एक दो हफ्ते की बात है बस. 30%. And she had invested a huge amount of money because she kept on investing more and more and more money into that to average the price down. I don't know about this. Now she is calling me, she's crying, she's complaining every second day, every second hour. I'm getting calls from her. This and that happened, this happened, how can this happen, how can this happen, I've lost this much money, I've worked so hard for that money. Oh, बहुत नाटक हुआ. You can imagine how that happens, right? Now, मैं इतना परेशान आ गया था that time, I remember, and for some reason I was feeling guilty. I don't know, when I look back, I don't think it was my fault, but some reason I was feeling guilty. Oh, that because of her this has happened. And to be honest, मैं काफ़ी irritate हो रहा था because calls आ ही जा रहे थे. तो simply मैंने उसको बोला, इधर आओ, ये check लिख लिया, ये check लो, दफा हो जाओ, ठीक है? Take this check, go away. I've reimbursed you for your loss. My mistake, go away. I'm telling you this very honestly because all of you can learn from this, right? You know what is the learning I got from this? The learning I got from this, that this is the ultimate truth, that if you are advising someone, ठीक है, और जो बंदा tips ले रहा है, the person who's taking tips, if he gets a profit, he is the smart person because he chose you, he trusted you, he is the smarter person. And if you get a loss, then the entire mistake is yours. Then you are fully to be blamed for everything, and they will come after you. ये सच है. प्रॉफिट हो गया तो भाई मैं स्मार्ट हूं, लॉस हो गया तुम्हारी गलती. यही रूल है, यही रूल है. Now, you know, and when I argued also with her that यार मैं तुम्हें पहले बताया था, and you only told me that you want to sell at your price. You only told, how can you blame me for this? बोलती no, you weren't market, you guided me for this. पता नहीं क्या क्या reasons था. Ultimately तो reason क्या था? Because she did not have the investor trader mindset. She does not understand it. You might think that the person you are advising to, you have explained it to him. You have explained the risks attached to stigma and everything attached to stock market to them, but they will not understand it. The moment they will see loss, the situation will completely change. So my advice to you is that please stop. If you are, then stop immediately. Stop giving tips to your friends and family. Stop giving stock market tips to your friends and family. Yes, you want to guide them, you want to help them, to tell them what to study, tell them where to study from, but stop giving them tips. It will never work. If you don't trust me, Google karo, just write lost money in stock markets because of tips. You will see articles and articles from CNBC, Economic Times, that because of cousin this person lost so much money, because of this friend mama ji advising this much he lost so much money. ये actually होता है, right? So you need to be really aware of this. If you're starting off with this career or you're already into this, this is my personal advice to you. Stop giving tips to your friends and family. If you want to discuss tips, if you want to discuss things, discuss it with investors, discuss it with traders who have that investor trader mindset, right? If I give you a tip, you're not going to just buy. You will take that tip, you will understand, you will see the reasoning of it, and then you will buy, right? यही difference है एक normal आदमी में और investor trader में. So that will be my ultimate advice. Stop giving tips to people, because you know what's the worst thing that will happen to you? Not that amount was still, now it seems petty. At that time जो मैंने दिया था check से, that time it seemed very, मतलब it felt very huge to me. अब तो बहुत petty लगता है. So now after so many years, I don't mind that amount. I mind that I lost a friend. Yeah, that's what really hits me. That इतना we were great friends. I lost a good friend, and I don't want the same thing to happen to you. ठीक है, तो प्लीज गाइस डू नॉट गिव स्टॉक टिप्स टू योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली. वेल दैट इज इट फॉर टुडे. मुझे नीचे कमेंट करके बताओ इफ यू हैव हैड सच एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी, मेरे बहुत स्टूडेंट से मेरी बात होती है एंड दे हैव हैड द वर्स्ट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इन लाइक दिस. सो इफ यू हैव हैड सच एक्सपीरियंसेस, लेट मी नो. इफ देयर इज समवन हु इज ऑलवेज आस्किंग यू फॉर स्टॉक टिप्स, हु इज आफ्टर यू, share this video with him so that you can tell him why you are not sharing stock tips with him, right? नीचे कमेंट करके बताओ, लाइक करो वीडियो को, सब्सक्राइब करो, join our value mails. If you want more interesting content like this, if you want constant updates on stock markets, more knowledge in stock markets, we don't give tips, but if you want more knowledge in stock markets, you can always join our value mails. Link is in the description below. I'll see you next time, guys. This is Goila School of Finance, financially empowering you.